Welcome to episode 2 of the isolation cleaning tips from IronDrake. Let's go over the tools you need to succeed as promised. Come over here. First we'll start with the hand tools, or the hand weapons. We're going to go from soft core to hard core. First off, we use one all-purpose cleaner. You can pretty much drink this stuff, it's that green and clean, if you're so inclined to do so. We've got one solution that's diluted down for glass cleaning and surfaces, just that soft core sort of stuff, and then the hard, heavier solution for grease, grime, soap, scum and all that sort of gunk. We've got our cloths. We'll have a few different cloths, prepare you for battle, and we'll go from glass to surfaces and then also a floor cleaner as well if so inclined. We move up to when you come across anything on a surface that doesn't want to budge, you got the scourer, and obviously we move right up to the spatula if there's, chewing gum or any dried on food that really doesn't want to go anywhere. We'll show you how to use all these later. For now, I'll show you how they fit in. You want your 2 sprays, nice and easy to get to. These go on the utility belt from episode 1. Go check out that if you haven't seen that there. Now, these are right behind, these cloths go right behind them in here. Nice and easy to get to. Scourer, he's got a spot right up the front, out of the way. And the spatula, these belts from Bunnings just come with a perfect little spatula holder too. You're gonna love that one. Okay, so let's move over to the pole tools. When you first arrive, you're going to want to do the skirting boards and the cobwebs up on the roof with one of these hush puppies. Right up in there, and then along the skirting boards as well. That way you're not breaking your back. Now, because we're all about saving time here at IronDrake, we've actually got a spray mop. Fill that up with a light solution. You never find yourself trying to fill up a bucket at someone's house or looking around for the tap. You also don't have to, you don't ever have to worry about drenching the floor and waiting for it to dry. Then we got a powerful vacuum. You need something with a bit of suck. Go get yourself a good commercial vacuum. It's going to save you time and money in the long run because they're built to not break down. Then you're going to want to put a nice big bucket in the middle of any room you're working in so you don't have to go back and forth. Dirty cloths go straight in there when they're done. Any rubbish from the kitchen, straight in there. Move to the next section, off to the living room. So they're the tools of the trade, weapons of war you'll need to succeed in your home. Stay tuned for episode 3.